Whether you're an IT professional, developer, or even a student who needs to learn different operating systems, develop or test applications, or prepare for certifications, building a virtual lab has many benefits and is easier to do than you might think. For anyone who uses a Mac desktop or laptop computer, VMware Fusion is the go-to tool for creating virtual labs and running multiple virtual operating systems. In this course, you'll learn why you should create a virtual lab, how to install VMware Fusion, how to create multiple virtual machines with different operating systems, and how to perform advanced configurations. My name is David Davis, and I'm honored to be your instructor for this course. I've been writing, teaching, and speaking about enterprise technologies, and especially virtualization, for over 10 years now. During that time, I've created over 50 Pluralsight courses, and this is one of my favorite courses yet. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create your own virtual lab for development, testing, training, and certification. So buckle up, grab a beverage, and join me on this adventure into creating a virtual lab with VMware Fusion.